Hello guys, welcome to our new video. In this video we will study introduction. Welcome to my channel English Learning Center. So before, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. So today we will learn interjection. So what are interjection? An interjection is a word or phrase used to express surprise, pain, pleasure, etc. For example, oh, hooray or wow. So let's move to type of interjection. Interjection, words that express strong feelings or sudden emotions. First, interjection of joy, express happiness, delight or pleasure. Example, hooray, hooray, yay, wow, bravo. Second, interjection of sadness, expresses sorrow, grief or sympathy. Example, als, oh no, fee, who is me. Interjection of surprise, expresses sudden surprise or shock. Example, oh, wow, what, goodness. Interjection of anger, expresses anger, irritation or annoyance. Example, bah, fish, tut, foo, rats. 5. Interjection of fear, expresses fear, fright or terror. Example, help, oh no, alas, mercy. Then next and last, interjection of disgust, expresses disgust, revulsion or dislike. Example, you, few, you, tet, few. Let's move to next one. Interjection of joy, words that express happiness, delight, excitement or pleasure. Common interjection of joy means examples: hooray, wow, hooray, excellent, and hooray, wonderful, yay, yippee, bravo, great. Examples in sentence: hooray, we won the cricket match. Hooray, on summer vacations, our summer vacations has started. Yay, I got full marks in English. Bravo, you performed very well on stage. Wow, this painting is amazing. Yippee, we are going to do today. Key points: expresses happiness, delight, excitement or celebration. Usually comes at beginning of sentence, generally followed by an exclamation mark. It can stand alone or be part of sentence. Quick formula: interjection plus exclamation mark plus sentence. Example, hooray, our team has won the championship. Activity time, fill in the blanks with suitable interjection of joy. This is your homework. Memory tape, joy plus joy means feeling, means happy word. Think about some joy words that make you feel joy. Hooray, yay, bravo, wow. So let me help you solve the activity time question. I got new bicycle. Dash, we have completed our project. Then here it will come here it will come yip, wow, we have completed our project. Dash, the magician's trick was incredible. Here it will come bravo, because it is used to show the good performance. Then next come interjection of sadness, words that express sorrow, grief, sympathy or pain. Common interjection of sadness: alas, oh no, oh, unfortunately, oh, dear me, we and last, fear. Examples in sentence: alas, he lost all his money in the accident. I failed in the exam. Oh, my pet is no more. Oh no, we missed the last bus. Woo, what a in who what an incredible what an terrible situation. Unfortunately, the match was cancelled due to rain. Key points: expresses sorrow, grief, disappointment, pity or sympathy. Usually comes at the beginning of sentence, generally followed by an exclamation mark. Can stand alone or be part of sentence. Quick formula: interjection, exclamation mark plus sentence Example as he could not save his friend. Activity time is for you. Memory tip. Sadness means sorrow. Feeling means sad work. Think. Feeling down, say it with words like ls, o, woo. Then next come interjection of surprise. Words that express sudden surprise, shock, or amazement. Example: oh, really? Wow, my goodness, ah, well, what, how, goodness, great heavens. Examples in sentence: oh, I forgot my homework. Wow, this view is breathtaking. Ah, you scared me. What, you got first rank? Goodness, you are so talented. Really, that's unbelievable. Key points: expresses sudden surprise, shock, or amazement. Usually comes at beginning of sentence, generally followed by exclamation mark. Can stand alone or be part of sentence. Quick formula: interjection plus exclamation mark plus sentence. Example: wow, that's an amazing gift. Then activity time is for you. Memory tape: surprise plus suddenly. Surprise means suddenly suddenly something happened unexpected. Think: oh, wow, what, ah, goodness. So let me help you solve some questions. First, dash, did not expect you here. Oh or wow. Second, you have a new car. Wow, you have a new car. Ah or wow, she can sing so well. What? That's a huge mountain. So these are answer given below. Please try to solve without answer. Next is interjection of anger. Words that express anger, annoyance, irritation, or displeasure. Common interjection of anger: ba, tisk, oh, fa, rubbish, nonsense, blast, damn, oh no, fee. Examples in sentence: ba, I don't want to hear your excuses. You think you are very smart. You should be ashamed on yourself. Blast, I missed the bus again. Rubbish, this is not true at all. Oh no, not again. Key points: expresses anger, irritation, annoyance, or displeasure. Usually comes at beginning of sentence, generally followed by an exclamation mark. Can stand alone or be part of sentence. Quick formula: interjection plus exclamation mark plus sentence. Example: blast, you have broken my favorite pen. Memory tip: anger means strong negative feeling, means angry words. Think, feel angry, use words like ba, blast, tusk, and rubbish. So let me help you solve activity time. Fill in the blanks with a suitable interjection of anger. First, dash, how dare you lie to me? How dare you to lie to me? Dash, this is so unfair. Ba or ts, this is so unfair. Then next, interjection of fear. Words that express fear, fright, terror, or anxious feeling. Common interjection of fear: ah, eek, oh no, ah, oh dear, yikes, oh alas, goodness, help, mercy. Examples in sentence: ah, there is snake in the room. Oh no, I forgot my exam tomorrow. Help, someone is drowning. Eek, there's a spider on the wall. Alas, we have lost the match. Ah, what was that sound? Key points: expresses fright, terror, or anxiety. Usually comes at the beginning of sentence, generally followed by an exclamation mark. Can stand alone or be part of sentence. Quick formula: interjection plus exclamation mark plus sentence. Example: help, I need someone. Memory tip: fear plus scared feeling plus fearful words. Think when I am afraid, I say words like ah, oh no, help, eek, alas, ah. Let me help you solve activity time. First, dash, there is fire in kitchen. Then here it will come help, there is fire in kitchen. Dash, I saw ghost last night. A or eek, I saw ghost last night. Dash, he is chasing me. Oh no, he is chasing me. Dash, the door opened by himself. Next is interjection of disgust. Words that express dislike, disdain, revulsion, or strong dislike for something unpleasant. Common interjection of disgust: you, yuck, you, phew, bleh, bleh, fee, sk. How disgusting! What a shame! Examples in sentence: you, ugh, this food smells awful. Yuck. I can't eat this. It tastes terrible. Then next is you. What is on your shirt? Phew. That was a disgusting place. Bah. Bleh. I hate drinking this bitter medicine. How disgusting. He threw garbage on the floor. Key points: expresses dislike, distaste, revulsion, or strong dislike. Quick formula: interjection plus exclamation mark plus sentence. Example: yuck, this milk is spoiled. Memory tape: disgust equals to strong dislike equals to disgusting word. Think: if I don't like something, I say words like you, yuck, you, blah, phew, b, fee, and sk. So let me help you solve activity time. First, dash, this fish smells so bad. You, this fish smells so bad. Second, dash, I saw a cockroach in my food. You, I saw a cockroach in my food. Dash, you didn't wash your hands. Phew, you didn't wash your hands. Dash, this place is so dirty. Bah, this place is so dirty. Dash, that movie was disgusting. Yuck, that movie was disgusting. So hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe and comment.